Yeah, people, Bounty Killer give back to the community. Adidja Palmer talk about what it was like in prison. Nige boy I will joy over one part. Yes, you know Adidja Palmer, the artist, I show off him football skills. Cynthia, the young, yeah, Shen Yang, she said she tired of it. So Demarco make you know say he is the greatest. Yeah, people, I would love if you go check out that trending song by many more. Baby, it's you. Me I tell you people that song yeah, that one the one for Christmas.
Dancehall reggae vibes. Keep it locked.
Yeah, people, you don't know it's your boy Grizzly Bear out there. I represent for Dancehall Reggae Vibes. You don't know it's DRV News. Yes, so right now, people, you don't know Rodney Price, Bounty the Killer. You know what I mean? The artist been working over the years, over the decades, you know what I mean, putting in the work and him create a foundation. And it is good when an artist can look within society, look within his community, look within his space and identify issues and things that he can also assist and help with. Yeah? So Bounty Killer go in one place and check out the price. You know what I mean? For 2 AC unit. You see me I say and 5 wheelchair. You know what I mean? And him never get them from yard. Nothing wrong with him. Him can't walk, so him don't need no wheelchair. You see me I say? Yeah. But the artist decides him I go donate on behalf of Bounty Killer Foundation. He's going to donate these 2 ACs and 5 wheelchairs to the Bellevue Hospital. And as you can see, the administrative staff is elated for this donation. You know what I mean? More per more, better per better, facility nice, patient them get deal with good. Zin, so Rodney Price, big of yourself, my general. You know what I mean? Mr. Jamaica, yeah, our world.
In a prison, you have to find a way for record. Find a way for it. You know what I mean? All video me do in a prison, but me nobody release them because I said, I mean, you go and build up the system for them.
True. Eh, you didn't do video?
Yes, like we are talking about Brandon, man.
And them not can chop you now then, man. Well,
You tell them now, chop. Them have gravity go from the earth, you know, so everything have to chop, you know.
True.
Yeah, people. Adidja Palmer, most popularly known as Vybz Kartel, revealed that he filmed multiple music videos while incarcerated. The youth and the normal, you know, people. Zin? Yeah, also detailing, he recorded an EP also. You know what I mean? Remember this man lock up in the man. You see me? And this man find the time to film, you know what I mean, music video and make an EP consisting of almost a dozen songs. Zin, I may tell you, him all a reason pan brand music review what day. You know what I mean? The 40-year-old artist speak about, you know, books that he have read. You see me I say for all him nas. You see me I say while he was in prison. You see me I say books where him read for make the time pass. Cause I remember, you know, that youth are living composition. You see me I say, yeah, so the artists are making know straight, mind over matter. So, people, if me never see it for myself, it's a thing. So, this man can't see for himself. Can see in some way, you know. But this is Nige boy over one part on one place in UK at one of them gaming spots. You see me I say, remember I know work without play make Jack a dull boy. You see me I say, and the artist been putting in the work, so it's a joy for see my whole a joy. You know, and watch it. Bowling alley, lick down the whole of the pin them. Yeah, youth. Yeah, youth. Bad like that. See me I say, bad artist, bad bowler. You see me I say? So, the artist are all a vibes over UK, I will catch him on him tour. You see me I say, what I like ice something name, I don't know if it's one of them table, high stocky pocky type of thing there. And the artists are going good. See me and a beer jar. The people when they run him a whole beer vibes. You don't know Nigel Boy has been an outstanding artist. You know, been putting in the work. You see me and say grab couple awards. You know what I mean? School awards plus music awards. And still left on the journey. So just go and pray.
Alright.
No better. But when the last man score get nothing.
Forward Pinky, 200 US may I bet him. It's mad, so what kind of corruption you are dealing with?
So more on the most hottest artist. Can me have to say it like that? Yeah. The hottest artist right now on the ground. On the planet, I should say. Cause Africa, Uganda, the man are there everywhere. You see me I say right now as I speak, me know I say the song I play in a one car. Yeah. In a one business place. Yeah. Pan a ends, pan a corner. So Vybz Kartel I show the people them say he's a multi-talented youth. Not just writing music or make the music videos them for himself when he lock up. Zine, but also a baller. So him fling down 200 US. Yeah? Yeah. And I make them know say, listen, I go score that goal, yeah. Yeah? If me not score, 200 US are for you. You know what I mean? And I him and him youth there too. You see me and say, so it's a kick off. And when I look forward, the artist score. Yeah, man. The whole place get excited. You know what I mean? And it good for see father and son bonding like that. You see me and say, might be the time when him did incarcerated, him take time out to really reflect and see, say, yo, time pass, some youth them grow up and never getting a chance to really they're around them. So right now the artists are make much. You see me and say, I'm seeing there on him daughter, I'm seeing there on him youths, them, you know what I mean, him sons, them, you see me and say, out with them, in with them. You see me and say lunch, you see me and say party. You see it? Yeah man. Cause first night up in America, yep. Right, that's so. Cartel, a teacher Palmer, the world boss. Timeless. So rumors going around that Jamaicans no longer support Shensia anymore. Zine. So Shensia had to put a stoppage to the whole something because Saturday was her party, her birthday party, you know what I mean? And the venue is an enormous venue. When I say enormous venue, I want big place. And the place ram. The place ram. So she's saying if her Jamaican fans didn't support her, the place would have scanty. You know what I mean? And as you can see, she has the full support of her Jamaican fans. Zine, who to tell the amount of fans that flew in for the show. You see me and say, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Lightness like Ding Dong, Chronic Law, you know what I mean? Them grace the stage. You see me and say there were a couple of the artists, you know what I mean, who make the night even more special. But the rumors, yeah man, should have to put a stop to the whole bull. You see me and say, yeah, the whole blap blap bloop bloop chat chat. So, if for the first time you hear the voice, you never subscribe yet, or, you know what I mean, it would be nice if you subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified. Yeah, so you can be notified. You see me? On our updates.
Bro, you're my greatest. I don't give a fuck. I'll me say my baddest thing can't tell like greatest thing. I mean, I give a fuck. Just for him work ethics. Just the mindset and the work ethics, yo. Yo. Sure say him are the greatest. Cause me couldn't do that. Me going to prison here so me have life. Me done with music, me done with life. Me done. And this man I hold the faith and say, yo, fever, all night running. Wine for me baby, everything Chris. How the fuck you do that, dog?
So, artist to artist. Yeah, man. So, my artist, bless up yourself. Demarco. You know what I mean? Celebrating your strong. Is it? Also call out some artists You know what I mean? Pablo YG and, you know, some artists and things. But Demarco go on to say on his life, because I reason him a reason with him fans them and, you know, the people man I make them know. So listen to me. For a man to be incarcerated, Zane, you go in front of the judge and you hear say life imprisonment. When you hear that I done everything done, you know, I done everything done. Cause you tell yourself, say, well, no road not there for me. You see me and say, I nah come back a road. So it don't make no sense me think about road. But them can make you know say Cartel, Vybz Kartel, a DJ Palmer, the world boss is the greatest artist that ever lived. And this is the reason why. Yeah? Remember, you know, I just stated in there, you go in front of the judge and the judge say life. Yet still this man there and the place hot and him sing Fever. Big album. In incarceration, this man sing Fever. Yeah? No, I mean even more hotter. Because when you have fever, you have a temperature, though. Yeah. So him did hot while incarceration, now the man have burn up. Yeah. So them can make you know say Vybz Kartel is the greatest. Yeah? Him bad, you know. Him great. Him can do the thing. Him make you know him talk. But him make you know straight say Kartel are the greatest because he maintain his mental state and never lose it. Hold firm. And see there, freedom is a must. Freedom is a must. You see me I say? Yeah, like a prophet, like the man they know say, yeah, I come forward, say, I just do what I do. Put the thing them in place and make everything does. You know what I mean? Flow. And just trust the process. So them can make the people them know say Vybz Kartel are the greatest. You hear me talk? Yeah, people, I would love if you go check out that trending song yeah, by many more. Baby, it's you. Me I tell you people that song yeah. Yeah, that one yeah, the one for Christmas.